who remembers my double ponytail hair hack from way back when? That was like one of my first like hair tutorial videos. Hey guys, what's up? It's Winnie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be testing out some hair hacks to see if we can create a nice full voluminous ponytail. I was not born with naturally full, thick, or luscious hair. This is actually my natural hair without any extensions in it. You guys are probably used to seeing me with extensions in. My hair extensions definitely transform my hair and give it that thick, voluminous look. But the only thing I haven't had much luck with is when I pull my hair back up in a ponytail, it still looks really sad. Like, there's 5 hairs in my ponytail. I've also tried those like ponytail hair extensions where you just attach it to your own ponytail, but I just don't like the look of that. So we're gonna try something that I found on my Facebook ads today. It's called the Pony O, and this is what it came as. It came with 2 of them actually, and I think you get a choice of different colors. I chose this like dark brown to match my hair, and I have not tried these out yet, so I'm gonna test them out for the first time on camera with you guys. It's a rubberized ring, or an O I guess, and it's got these little bumps and ridges on it, and you can kind of bend it. It comes with a little instructional manual and a styling book to show you what different styles you can do with it. Again, it does come with 2, and I think I paid like $20 for them. First, I want to show you guys what my ponytail looks like with just a regular hair elastic band, and I'm just gonna pull it up. I don't typically pull my hair up in just a ponytail because I don't like the way it looks. It is really wimpy. I just pull my hair back and make it into like a big messy bun, and it just gives the illusion of really thick full hair. But this is what my ponytail looks like with the elastic. And usually if I do pull it back like this, I will curl the ends to make it look fuller. But this is how it looks when it's just like straight. Okay, so enough of this. Now let's try the Pony O and see how it looks. I'm gonna open this up a little bit, and it says to feed your hair through the Pony O. Let's gather my hair again. I'm just gonna loop it through the Pony O like an elastic. And then it says to hold the Pony O close to your head, so it's like on my head. And then you're going to flatten the Pony O. I'm just squeezing it closed. So now it's just flat, and then it says to make separate bends on both ends, this end and this end. So I'm gonna bend this end in, and then the other end. Okay, I think I did it. It feels a little bit loose though, but that's what it looks. Actually, this looks nice. That's so cool. I didn't even have to like fan it out. It looks like it's already pretty much fanned out. This is what it looks like. It's still a little bit flat just because my hair is like really stick straight and fine. So I would probably curl it just to give it a little bit more texture. Okay, but look at this. This looks fuller, does it not? Especially from the front when you're looking at it, it looks like a nice full ponytail. And I don't know how, but it's holding really well too. Like, it doesn't feel like it's slipping or anything. It just feels a little bit loose compared to like your ponytail holder, because I really like to like have this on really tightly. But it's not going anywhere. Like, this is sitting still. It's got that like rubberized grip on it, so it doesn't feel like it's slipping or anything at all. Okay, I'm impressed with this. I like the way it looks, and it's super easy and quick to do. I'm gonna try this on with my hair extensions. I'm gonna put a couple wefts in the back and then tie it all up just to give it some more length, because I want to see how it looks with longer hair. So I'll be right back. Oh, and it's really easy to take out. There's nothing tangled. I'm not ripping any of my hair out at all. Okay, this hair is a little bit lighter than mine right now because I went a little darker, but we're just gonna try it on just for fun to see how it looks. And this is actually one really thick weft. Whenever I put clip-in hair extensions in my hair to put my hair up, I usually flip it upside down like this so that the weft is going this way. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's just a little bit smoother when you pull your hair back. See, when you gather all your hair and pull it up, the weft is going the same direction, so there's not a weird like bump in your hair. That's actually another ponytail hack with hair extensions if you guys didn't know. But I'm gonna use the Pony O with this as well to see how full it looks. Oh my gosh. It's too much hair to fit in this ring. Okay. So hold it close to your head, flatten it, and then bend the sides. Okay, I think the hair is too thick now. Okay, I think I did it. It feels nice and secure. With the extra hair, it does feel heavier, but look at how full it looks, you guys. That's amazing. Look at this. I love it. I think next time I do this, I probably won't use this super thick weft because it's a little heavy and I can tell that the ring is too small for this much hair. So like 2 normal wefts is probably fine, but I just wanted to see what it would look like with my hair extensions in, and I'm kind of obsessed. So I'm gonna have to say the Pony O is legit. I love that it's super simple and easy to use. It doesn't damage your hair or like rip out your hair when you're taking it out. It doesn't even crease in your hair, which sometimes that's really annoying. But you get 2 of them for 20 bucks. That's way less than some of those like clip-on ponytail hair extensions. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I'll put a link to Pony O in the description box if you want to check it out for yourself. This is not a sponsored video whatsoever. I literally was scrolling through my Facebook, saw the video ad, and I was like, okay, I need this. I need to know if it really works or not, and I am very impressed with the results. But let me know if you guys have any other products you want me to try out because I'm super curious. I know that there are tons of different things on like Facebook ads and Instagram ads that are slightly questionable, and you just can't help but be curious to see if the product works or not. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check my links out down below for my Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!